Welcome! In this quick video, we'll show you how to safely operate your Action All-Terrain track chair. Here's a few reminders. User must be accompanied by an able-bodied adult. Parties must have a cell phone, and Linn County Conservation staff are not allowed to assist with any transfer of a person into or out of the track chair. Let's begin on how to use the RNet joystick control panel. We'll start with the basic overview. The RNet joystick is your main control hub. Let's go over the key parts. Always start by powering on and checking your surroundings. Make sure you're secure before moving. The joystick is pressure sensitive. The more you push, the faster you go. Always start slow. Push left to move left. Push right to move right. Push the joystick forward to go forward, and pull the joystick back to go back. Adjust the speed controls if necessary. The turtle means slower, the rabbit means faster. Let's activate attendant mode. Use the profile button on the attendant module to toggle control between the user and the attendant. The display on the joystick will typically show a specific profile configured for attendant control. Once in attendant mode, the caregiver uses a rear joystick. The chair moves forward and backward and left and right. Push the button again to return the control to the chair user. The attendant mode is set up to override the user's controls if needed. Once you're done, stop fully and power down safely. Always operate in open, accessible areas. Avoid steep slopes and deep water. Use only on Linn County Conservation trails approved for the track chair. You're ready to go. Now it's time to enjoy the outdoors.